Kubernetes-based platform is a challenge for you, and you do not have the right resources and you do not know the right architecture. So let me explain you what is the right architecture. How can you share your resources till you can isolate your services from each other. So you can see this diagram. So basically, this is coming from my past couple of years of experience, right? So this is the 3-tier VPC in which like available into three zones. One tier one is the public tier where all your load balancers which are external facing will be created. Tier 2 is your private where your all the EC2s virtual machines will be created, and tier 3 is your intra subnet where you will keep your database, Redis, etc. Right. So now the point is, I mean, how to build this highly scalable Kubernetes-based platform so that you do not get into the complexities of the Kubernetes. So let's keep it simple. For example, there are two applications which you want to deploy in different ports, but they will share the resources like application A and application B, and all these are microservices, and they are using a separate database like Aurora RDS A for application A and Aurora RDS B for application B, right? So basically each and every application will get deployed into a particular in its own namespace so that we have the logical separations between these microservices. And what we do is we attach a service account to each and every namespace, and to every service account we attach an IAM role. And for example, this application needs the secrets to connect to this database, like database username and password. So basically those secrets we are keeping into the AWS parameter store. And for this IAM role policy we have integrated with OIDC so that this IAM can go and has a policy which can go and read the secrets for this particular database. And the service account is attached. So basically OIDC integration is being done so that you don't have to use the Kubernetes RBAC, or you can integrate with the AWS IAM roles and policies. So now this, when this application will start, we will run a startup script which will fetch the secrets from the parameter store and make them as available into the environment variable. Now this application will read those environment variables and will connect to the databases, right? Those secrets, and your application will be live in this way. Also, we can integrate the logging, monitoring, and alerting using the open source tech stack. And for example, this is an external facing application, so we can use an ingress controller using which we can expose this application to the outside world. And for the continuous deployment, you can use GitOps tool like Argo CD, which is an open source, Helm Package Manager, which is also an open source. And using this Argo CD and maybe the choice of your own CI tool, or maybe if you are using GitHub, you can use the GitHub Actions where you are using a CI to push a commit to the repository and then deploying it through the Argo CD. So you can just do the deployment like this. So I mean, let's make the Kubernetes simple so that many people can adopt it, because most of the people need to build a highly scalable platform in this